Hello, today we will guide you through how to sell ebook on Whop. To begin, open Whop and make sure you're on the home page. This is where you'll access the business area that contains the product and app settings you need. Once you're there, look to the left-hand navigation panel and select the Sample Business campaign. This opens the workspace where you can prepare the ebook for delivery to customers. Inside that business area, click Add App. This is the step that allows you to add a delivery method for your ebook. In the App Store search area, type File. You're looking for the File app, since this is what will let buyers access and download the ebook after purchase. When the File app appears in the results, click Add to install it in your business. After the app has been added, open it and click Edit in the top right corner. This takes you into the setup area for the File app. From there, click Add File and browse your device for your ebook file. Select the correct file and upload it. It's a good idea to double check that you're choosing the final version of your ebook before moving on, especially if you have multiple drafts saved on your computer. Once the file is uploaded, your ebook is ready to be connected to a product. Next, click Dashboard to return to the main business management area. From the dashboard, click Products. This is where you create the offer customers will actually see and purchase. Once you're on the Products page, click Create Product to start setting up the ebook as a sellable item. When prompted, enter ebook as the product name. This helps identify the product during setup, and you can refine the name later if needed. After entering the product name, click Next in the top right corner and continue following the on-screen procedure to finish adding the product details. This is where Whop will guide you through the rest of the setup process needed to make the ebook available for sale. As you go, take your time reviewing each screen so the product is linked correctly and everything appears the way you want for buyers. A clean setup helps create a smoother customer experience and makes your ebook easier to manage later. That's it. You've added a file for your ebook, created a product, and started the process of listing it for sale on Whop.